Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing your gadgets as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into a common headache for Canon printer users: error code B204. If your printer's flashing this code and refusing to cooperate, don't panic. We're going to break it down, explain why it's happening, and walk you through the fixes step by step. This guide is tailored for 2025 models, so let's get your printer back in action quickly. First off, what exactly is error code B204? It typically signals an issue with the print head or the ink system in your Canon printer. This error often pops up when there's a blockage, overheating, or a communication glitch between the printer and its components. Think of it as your printer's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most common culprits include a clogged printhead from dried ink, incompatible or low ink cartridges, outdated firmware, or even dust and debris buildup inside the printer. In some cases, it could be a hardware problem, like a faulty printhead, which is more common in older models but can happen with wear and tear. Alright, time for the good part, the solutions. Start with the basics. Turn off your printer, unplug it from the power source, and wait about 60 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. This simple reset often clears temporary errors. Next, check your ink cartridges. Make sure they're genuine Canon ones and properly seated. If they're low or expired, replace them immediately. For a deeper fix, access your printer's maintenance menu, usually found in the settings on your computer or directly on the printer, and run a print head cleaning cycle. Do this a couple of times if needed, but don't overdo it to avoid wasting ink. If the error persists, head to the Canon website and download the latest firmware update for your model. Installing it can resolve software-related issues. And if nothing works, it's time to contact Canon support or take your printer to a certified service center for a professional diagnosis. There you have it, a straightforward guide to tackling error code B204. By following these steps, you'll be printing away in no time. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.